All right, welcome back to the last couple of problems we have to do here. This is going to be the cube root of 27q to the 9th. So the cube root of 27 times the cube root of q to the 9th. Remember, break it up. So this is 3q cubed. Number 10, this is the fourth root of 3 times the fourth root of x to the 7th times the fourth root of y to the 9th times the fourth root of z cubed. Fourth root of 3 doesn't do anything. It doesn't change. It's the fourth root of 3. Fourth root of x to the 7th doesn't divide even, right? 7 divided by 4 doesn't work, so we have to break it into something that does. X to the 4th times x cubed. Now I can take this 1x out, but the x cubed, it stays in there. The fourth root of y to the 9th doesn't work, but I can break it into y to the 8th times y, which then becomes y squared, fourth root of y. The fourth root of z cubed doesn't work, so it's got to stay like that. And so it's going to be the fourth root of z cubed. Now, everything that's outside the root, x, y squared, we put together. This is x, y squared. And then everything that's inside the root, we put together. 3x cubed, y, z cubed. And that is my final answer right there. Finally, my last one here, cube root of 16x to the 4th. So this is the cube root of 16 times the cube root of x to the 4th. Now 16 is not a perfect cube, but it does break into a perfect cube. The perfect cube 8 times the cube root of 2. X cubed, the cube root of x to the 4th, excuse me, is not a perfect cube, but we can break it into the perfect cube. The cube root of x cubed times the cube root of x. Now, this cube root of 8 becomes 2. The cube root of x becomes x. But these two, they don't have perfect cubes, so they stay inside the root as 2x. So 2x cubed root 2x. And that's everything we've got for the 6.2 lesson. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you have questions, please make sure that you ask them. There's a lot to unpack in this lesson, a lot to unpack. So make sure we get some practice with it. Then, yeah, we'll see you in the next lesson, 6.3. Bye.